everyone, I'm going to briefly discuss the 3D product design course and explain why it's a good subject to choose for your GCSE options. Three-dimensional design is about looking, learning, thinking and communicating ideas. It's a great subject for creative thinkers, problem solvers and those who enjoy making. Three-dimensional design is the ideal opportunity to explore ideas and develop skills and is a great first step for those who wish to have a job in the design and manufacture industry. You'll develop a mix of practical, academic and investigative skills that can be used everywhere, and students who study the course find that it really helps with their other subject choices. One of the main reasons why this is such a great course to take is due to its employment prospects. The UK's creative industries is worth £115.9 billion to the economy. This is a 45% increase since 2010. Even more importantly, there are more than 2 million jobs in the industry, which has increased over a third since 2011. All of these facts show that there are lots of opportunities for careers in design. A career in design provides great employment prospects, job security, and an exciting and varied profession. Let's have a look at the course in more detail. This is how you will be assessed. The specific course that we run is the WJEC GCSE in Art and Design, Three-Dimensional Design. It consists of Unit 1, which is a candidate portfolio, which is 60%. This unit consists of a major practical project, theme-based portfolio and outcomes with critical and contextual analysis. Then we have Unit 2, which is the externally set task, which is 40%. The externally set task is set by the exam board. This will include research and preparation plus 10 hours to complete a final outcome. Let's have a look at the units in more detail. Unit 1, the personal creative inquiry, is internally assessed and externally moderated. The pupils choose what they want to investigate, design and make, as it really increases engagement. It means we have such varied projects from football boots to armour, whose examples you can see on this slide. We've also had pupils designing musical instruments, furniture, cars, buildings and computer game controllers, and many, many more. There's too many to mention. We spend around 2 months picking up specific research, design and make skills before deciding on a topic for a project we have until December following year to complete. Once that is done, we then start Unit 2. Unit 2 is externally set assignment, which is 40% of the GCSE, and that's internally assessed and externally moderated. The exam paper gets published at the beginning of January of Year 11, and pupils have until May to complete it. Pupils get given a choice of briefs to choose from. Some are visual stimuli, whereas others are written briefs, as we can see here. Pupils are given 10 hours in the workshop at the beginning of May to complete their final practical outcome. An example of an exam unit can be seen here, where a pupil has chosen a brief and completed all the proprietary research and design work before completing a practical outcome within the 10 hours allocated. As mentioned earlier, this is a great course to take because of its employment opportunities. Most of the previous pupils of the subject continue to study in the field of design at A-level. Pupils who have studied this course at Maesteg school have gone on to study architecture, product design, automotive design, interior design and furniture design. It's a varied and respectful list, just like the course itself. Thank you for your time and interest. Please get in touch if you have any questions.